and welcome to Yoga for Real Women. To begin, grab your yoga mat or a wet towel off your kid's bathroom floor. If you're joining me today, you must have recently tried on a bathing suit or you've seen an unflattering photo of yourself. Don't worry, I'll be helping you over the next few days begin to lose weight and feel great until you quit, most likely by the weekend. To begin, raise your arms over your head. Breathe deeply, giving a gentle smile. The smile is to mask the searing pain you'll be experiencing. Release your hands back down to the floor as a wave of exhaustion overtakes you. Your poor choices and lack of self-control are on full display, so take a deep breath, but not too deep, and we'll move forward. Remember to smile and gently breathe as you place your feet back into what is commonly known as downward-facing dog. Tuck in your fat and convince yourself no one is judging your poor choices. The landslide of body parts and gelatinous material now pooling around your stomach is completely normal for someone who lacks self-control, such as yourself. Let your stomach flap gently in the breeze, much like a dog's face out a car window. Feel your too tight underwear and 15-year-old yoga pants pinch off your blood flow to your lower leg. As you hold your lunge position, quickly untuck your shirt in hopes of hiding your stomach, now on full display perched atop your waistband. From here, rise to an awkward, not sure if you should stand or sit position. Pay attention to your breath. Yoga is all about the breath, so don't breathe. Don't breathe? No breathing. Remember, nope, not yet, we're not breathing. And finally, collapse and breathe. From here, fold into the only yoga position you can actually do, which is to face plant into your kid's sticky, wet, moldy towel and cry like a baby. Feel your depression seeping in. From here, we will rise and take a glance at the clock as quickly as we can, recognizing we haven't even made it 5 minutes yet. From here, we will lie back, fall back, and allow your body to feel the depression, insecurity, and despair as you remember how your body once was and no longer is. Contemplate for a moment continuing on, but instead rise, taking a quick glance around to see if anyone saw you making a fool out of yourself. Grab your child's moldy towel and head to the kitchen to overeat since you've now successfully burned 3 calories.